Okay guys, so I am making an Odesza Perler. I'm recording part of it on my computer, but then the other part, so we're looking at this from Etsy. I'm going to fill it in. So I'm going to do a quick tutorial on how to make an Odesza Perler. So this is literally how I'm doing it. I've got this pegboard on my lap and I'm looking at this here. I've got all of my beads out here and Bae's over there. He just got some tequila. Say hi, babe. Babe. Even the dogs are sick of me. Dartamoose. All right, Odesza, here we go.
I can't forget the day we met. Your eyes so blue, me piercing through. I can't forget the day we met. Your smile so bright, it made me swoon. Our love is like a summer's day, hot and endless in a magic way. Whenever I see you, all I can think is my summer love. Been waiting for you, my love. My summer love. Been waiting for you, my love. I can't forget the day we met. You looked so fly in your red Corvette. Your hair, your look, your everything. When I see it all, I knew that you were mine. I'm in love with your hair, your lips, your silhouette in the moonlight shine. With my love you won't ever be alone, my summer.
So here you can see it's already made, so this might be at the end, but I'm RaveWithShai, and one of my girls, I am spiritual, or I am spiritual, her name is Shelby. She requested an Odesza, and so here's how to do it. Right now I'm gonna work on how I'm stringing this so that she can wear it as a necklace. What I do is I've let this sit with a book over it to make sure it was flat. And what I do is I grab a fork and I stick a fork through the two places that I want the string to go through. So just like that. Makes it big enough. Some people have a needle, that's probably smarter, but then I get enough string, I stick it through so that it can fit nicely as a necklace like this. And so I've put this through and you'll see it's double. So it's doubled up. I'm going to, oh, and just so you know, this is where I get my string from Michael's, and there's all sorts of different levels. I also just made Timmy Trumpet for one of my other friends. It's really cute. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on. And I'm rocking my Good Times Dope Rhyme shirt from Electric Family. I'm always repping all my favorite brands. All right, but I'm gonna grab all of my beads. Oh, and I might break this because and I did. Once I get this through, I'm actually going to go ahead and tie a little knot. The more secure you can make these necklaces, the better, especially if you're a headbanger like us. And I'm just gonna try to keep it as close. Ah, now my hair's stuck in it. Okay, so that's nice and secure. And then I've got this string. It's a little uneven now, but I'm going to, since it's a black edge, I'm gonna go ahead and get started off with a green bead. So you stick the green bead through both pieces. Take it down to the bottom. I'm gonna do that twice. So you get the green bead, you stick it through both pieces. And then I'm going to do two blacks through both strings. So you've got this nice little foundation. Then I'm just going to pick one string and I'm going to do green, black, green on one, and then on the other one I'm going to do green, black, green, and then I'm going to close it by putting a black one through both. So now you'll see this fun, this is the singles, and then there's doubles. So you can pull that really tight. And I'm going to speed it up and do it again. I'm going to do it one more time slow. So we're going to skip a few. So we're going to do, okay, so we got green, black. We got black. So I'm going to do one more black through both. And then 2 greens through both. Then I'm going to divide it and do green, black, green just on one, and then green, black, green on the other. I'm going to bring the strings together and close it with 1 black through both strings. So this is the pattern we're going for. Now I'm going to speed it up so you can watch me do the entire thing, and then we're going to make it a necklace and ship it off to Shelby. Okay guys, well here's the final Odesza, and it says Odesza. And the next time you see this, it's going to be on I Am Spiritual. Hope you enjoy it, Shelby. Thanks for watching this tutorial of how to make a perler for Odesza. Catch you in the next episode. Peace.